Let's continue with the next presentation. So we're glad to have with us Dr. Shawn Li, who is the head of product management and solution sales at Aiko Solar. You probably have heard about that, at least when you're looking at our top modules table, which is updated every month. Aiko has the highest efficient solar module. And Dr. Li will talk about how world record module efficiencies change the profitability for rooftop solar. The floor is yours, Shawn.
Okay, thanks a lot for the introduction. And let me share my screen. Okay, yeah, right now I can share it. Can you see me?
Yep, just
okay.
into presentation mode.
Yeah, let me switch to presentation mode. Okay, hello everyone. This is Shawn Li, head of product management and solution sales for Aiko Europe. It's really a pleasure to represent Aiko to give the invitation from TaiyangNews on this virtual conference and share some information about our ABC module and how it can change the profitability for the rooftop solar. Well, in fact, the whole development of solar industry is mainly focusing on two key topics. And one is maximizing the use of sunlight, that is to increase the solar panel efficiency, like we move from polycrystalline to monocrystalline silicon, and from the BSF solar cells to PERC cells. But the other one is to minimize the cost. Here, the cost is not only from the product or component level. Nowadays, more and more people are focused more on the system level. So today, I would like to share some of our insights on how to bring more benefits for the rooftop solar from these two perspectives. So at the beginning, I still like to brief you a little bit about Aiko Solar. Well, Aiko was founded in 2009, and in the last 13 years, we are mainly focusing on solar cell manufacturing. Since this is the mainstream in solar industry, so we didn't receive a lot of recognitions from the end users. But in fact, we already shipped over 80 gigawatts solar cells worldwide, and last year, our sales revenue reached $5.3 billion. And right now we have over 9,000 employees worldwide. And what is more impressive is over 20% of them working on the new product research and development. Well, as an innovation company, we are always exploring and leading the advanced solar technology. This slide just lists some of our key achievements in the past. So in 2016, we are the first company to launch the tubular PERC cell technology. Right now, if you're familiar with the industry, it's already covered over 70% of the market share. And in 2020, we are also the first supplier to provide the G12 solar PERC cells in the market. And in 2021, we developed a new technology we call the ABC cells, all back contact cells, with efficiency reaching to 26.2% by that time. And because of this tremendous product, it gives us more confidence to expand our business from solar cell manufacturing to solar module. And last year, we officially launched our first generation of commercial PV module with efficiency as high as 23.6%. And just last month, because of the fantastic product design, we officially received the Right Dot Award for 2023. And all these innovations help boost our business growing significantly. Well, in the past 5 years, our revenue is increased by over 10 times, from 0.3 billion in 2017 to 5.1 billion in 2020. Well, the average year-over-year growth rate is over 70%. which is pretty impressive in considering the fast growing of the solar industry. Now we have 4 manufacturing bases spreading in Tianjin, Yiwu, Foshan, and Zhuhai. And in this year, we will have around 43 gigawatt cell manufacturing capability, which include 36 gigawatts for the traditional PERC cells and 6.5 gigawatts for our ABC cells. And by the end of this month, we will also put our Zhuhai ABC module production line into operation. And this will give us 6 gigawatts module manufacturing capability by the end of this year. And as a world-leading manufacturer, we highly value our resilience and secure the supply chain, especially after seeing what happened in the past years. So last year, we have made 2 big movements. One is to investing on the wafer company, Aiko Solar, and the other one is investing on the silicon company, which is Lihao Semiconductor. Well, these 2 moves help us to complete our industrial layout from silicon to wafer to cell and module PV panel and one-stop solution. And these give us more control on the upstream, which can help us to have a sustainable and reliable supply and give us more confidence to serve our global partners and customers. So here shows an overview of our global partners on product research and development. So as a technology-driven company, Aiko always put a lot of investment on basic technology study. In 2020, we found our first overseas innovation center in Freiburg, Germany. And we also team up with Fraunhofer and ITV in University of Stuttgart on the most advanced solar technology research. And this slide gives some of our global partners and customers. As you may notice, this is covering from the top module manufacturer, large IPP companies, and global top investors. Well, I believe you can find many familiar names here, but for time reason, I will not go through them one by one. So, okay, that's a brief introduction about Aiko Solar. And now let's take a look at our ABC module and how its high efficiency could help bring extra values to our users. So our module is based on the advanced all-back contact technology. We name it ABC module. Well, as we know that the general solar cells will have double side metallization. Therefore, the solar cell will have the grid lines on both the front side and back side. Well, unfortunately, the grid line on the front side will shade the solar module surface and causing unnecessary power loss. So different from the traditional cells, our solution adopts all-back junction and all-back contact, moving all the circuits to the back side of the solar cells. Therefore, there is no grid lines on the front side. This is the main reason that's why the ABC cell and ABC module have a higher efficiency than the others. Well, this slide brings us to the latest solar facts from TaiyangNews. So every month, the industrial analysis from TaiyangNews will collect the highest efficient commercial module worldwide and summarize the list for the public. Well, as you may notice, all the top 3 modules are based on the back contact technology. This is from another perspective showing the tremendous advantages of this technical route. And we are also very pleased to return our top module position for this month. And now Aiko is the only supplier can supply the solar module with over 23% efficiency. And right now we can offer 460 volts power within 2 square meters. So thanks to the advanced technical route, our ABC modules have 3 key advantages. The first one is full black appearance, no grid lines on the front, which give it a premium appearance, more aesthetic intact with residential and commercial buildings. And the second one is a higher lifetime production. This is because our product have a higher efficiency lower degradation rate, and a better power temperature coefficient, and of course, longer warranty. For example, our power temperature coefficient is 0.29%, comparing with 0.34% for the others, which means that every 10 Celsius degree increase, our module can generate 0.5% more power than the traditional solutions. And the last one is the lower balance of system, which can, because the module have higher efficiencies, so for the same DC capacity, you can save a lot on the cabling, on the mounting structure, and installation costs. According to our analysis, this can help you to reduce 7% of BOS on the product investment. So now let's take a close look at the degradation. As we all know, solar modules will degrade over time and lose its output power. Therefore, how fast the solar module degrades will determine the power we will get in the end of the project lifetime. So as we can see that our module has only 1% degradation at the first year and 0.35% linear degradation thereafter. We are comparing with the traditional PERC cells, PERC modules. They normally have 2% at the first year and 0.55% annually. So if we take a look at the 25th year, our modules still have over 90% power left, but the general solution only have 85, which means 5% more production at the year of 25. So this is the reason why we are confident to offer 30 years performance warranty. So in the previous section, I mentioned that one of the key advantages of ABC technology is removing all the grid lines or finger lines from the on the top front of solar modules, which makes it more aesthetic intact with the rooftop solar. So to guarantee a premium appearance, another key factor is to keep the consistency and the color of the whole solar module. So in this part, the thickness and reflection ratio of the solar cell passivation was specifically matched with our coating, with the coating of our glass to achieve a pure black appearance. And also a strict color selection and management system is also designed to make the perfect color consistency. So this slide shows our product portfolio right now already available in the market. So as you can see, we divided our product by its application scenarios. 54 cells model, meaning for the residential use, maybe slightly for some areas like German-speaking countries, and our 72 cells is meaning for the large commercial use. So for each scenario, we will have two series, black series and white series. So the black one will have more premium appearance thanks to its black backsheet and frame, and our white series will be more powerful and have a higher efficiency, which can help to improve the project payback period and lower the LCOE. So to verify the performance of ABC module, we have built a test field in our Foshan manufacturing base. So different types of PV modules are installed for comparison purpose. All the modules, orientations, and installation angle are kept the same for all the solutions. So according to our test results from November 2022 to January 2023, our ABC module has around 15.2% higher performance gain. And we also normalize the results and calculate the performance gain per watt. And as you can see, we have around 3.5% advantages than the traditional PERC modules. And this is mainly due to the better low light performance and power temperature coefficient. Well, this test is still on, and we believe that the advantages will keep increasing in summer season because we just have a hot climate in summer, so the ambient temperature will be high at that time. So given the need to decarbonize the heating sector and reach the repower yield target, heat pump market really skyrocketed in the past years, both in newly built house and also in the replacement market. So it can be foreseen that the growth will continue in the next few years. So therefore, in the end, I'd like to share a case analysis about the PV plus heat pump household. Well, here's the energy consumption is categorized into the base consumption, including lighting and the basic use of modern home appliances, and the consumption by the electrical vehicle and the heating system. So as you can see from the right side table, although the heat pump have a higher energy conversion efficiency, but after switching from the natural gas furnace to heat pump, the energy bill of this household increased by around 600 euros. This is mainly due to the high electricity price we have right now. And as a result, it's become a must to pair heat pump solution with solar in order to make the whole system profitable for the end user. So to cut the electricity bill, we have designed two PV systems on the left table. And one is based on Aiko ABC module, and the other one is based on the mainstream PERC technology. Well, since the available space is the main limitation for rooftop project, both designs use the same quantity of modules and cover the same roof space. Well, as shown, thanks to the high efficiency, our ABC module can maximize the solar potential of the roof and get 10% more output than the other solutions. And the following bar chart shows a comparison of lifetime production. And we can notice that as time going, the ABC technology's advantages will keep increasing. The reason behind is due to its slow degradation rate over the project lifetime. So in this case, the PV system with ABC module can generate 16.75% more power than the others. So finally, let's take a look at the financial performance of both solutions. Here we'll analyze two scenarios, household with or without batteries. For household with batteries, we will try to make the best use of the self-generated solar power and inject the rest to the grid. As we can see, since the ABC solution can offer more power during daily hours, which can help improve the household self-consumption rate. For the first year, the solution with ABC module can save 440 euros in the electricity bill. And if we took a 30-year lifetime calculation, the saving of ABC solution will become 13,000 euros. And if we consider the payback period on the ABC module investment, the ROI can reach 8.87. Well, for the household with batteries, we will try to store the rest of energy into the battery for later use. So it is clear pairing with the battery can highly increase the self-consumption rate, and which significantly cuts the household electricity bill. So for both solutions, the electricity bills are less than 1,000 euros every year. And at the same time, the battery will also maximize the high production advantages of ABC module, which gave us 500 euros saving at the first year and 18,000 euros saving in the lifetime. And if we look at the return on investment on ABC module, and the number will be almost 12. So we can see that for both scenarios, the high production feature of our ABC solutions can bring some actual benefits to end users to help them cut the electricity bills, saving more money on the investment. So to wrap up today's presentation, I'd like to thanks again for TaiyangNews to organize this fantastic conference. And this do help more and more people focusing on global decarbonization and speed up the process. So thanks for everyone's attention, and I wish you have a great time in this online conference and have a lovely day.
Thanks, Shawn. Great presentation. Just maybe one question. Regarding, you've shown different modules with different efficiencies. So I think they are all above 23%. but you have also this up to 23.6%. Could you reveal how big that quantity is actually? So that's for available, because I think probably a lot of people would want to buy a 23.6% efficient module this year.
Yeah, for sure. Because right now the 23.6% efficiency is actually our mass production quantity. So right now, let's say for the 54 cells module and for our Black series, the efficiency is 23%. We are already offering to the market. For the White series, the efficiency will be 23.6%. It's also available for the monofacial module, and by the second half this year, we will also launch our dual glass module. And according to our R&D team estimate, we will able to make a 24% efficiency for the 54 cells model and also the 72 cells model by the end of this year. So yeah, if you're interested on this product, you can always leave a message to me and our sales team will contact you.
Okay, wonderful. I think there might be some questions in the webinar. You might want to check if you can answer that. In any case, thanks a lot. And
okay, thanks, Michael.
Take care, Shawn. Ciao.
Ciao.